How to reset team on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reset team on Fantasy Premier League. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To reset your team in Fantasy Premier League, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Transfers tab and you will be able to see your current players. To reset, tap on the cross symbol beside the players that you want to remove. And now, in the Player Selection tab on the right side of your screen, you will be able to see a bunch of players. Tap on the player that you want to replace your current empty position with and see if the player meets your budget or not. If yes, tap on the Confirm button to confirm your transfer and add a new player, and if not, then consider some other player according to your budget. Repeat the same process for all the players if you want to reset your entire team one by one. And if you just want to reset your team entirely and not add new players, then you can also go ahead and delete your Fantasy Premier League account. So, this is how you can reset team on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.